This 5-minute solution will show you how to link YouTube channel to Facebook page. Follow these easy steps to easily link or add your YouTube channel link to your Facebook page. First of all, we need to copy the YouTube channel link. So here's I'm opening my YouTube app, and right now I'm in my YouTube channel. And now I'm copying my YouTube channel link. Now I'm going to my Facebook, and after logging to your Facebook account, we need to switch to the Facebook page. To do that, tap on menu at the bottom right. Tap on this arrow icon next to your name. And here, select your Facebook page. Now go to your Facebook page profile page. And here, tap on edit public details. Scroll down. Here you will get links option. So tap on add next to links. And here select social links. Tap on add social link. Tap on this platform drop down. And here select YouTube. And in this username box, you have to write your YouTube channel username. Then tap on save. And this is the first method to add a YouTube channel using username. And if you don't have your channel username, then again tap on links edit. Again tap, and here we need to add website. So tap on add website. And in this website address box, paste here your YouTube channel link or URL. And then tap on save. And this is how we can add our YouTube channel link to Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.